enhancing community safety with North America Wireless and Motorola Solutions. Discover how AI surveillance and critical communications can transform your communities, schools, parks, or bike paths into a safer environment for everyone. Our team of industry-specific experts is ready to assist you with a free security audit and design. We aim to provide tailored solutions that meet the unique needs of your community, ensuring optimal safety and security. Explore the power of AI surveillance with Motorola Solutions, a Avigilon ecosystem designed to offer advanced monitoring capabilities. These systems are crucial for maintaining safety in public spaces, providing real-time insights and alerts to potential threats. Motorola Solutions' critical communication systems are the lifeline for emergency response teams. They ensure seamless communication during crises, enabling quick and efficient coordination among police, fire departments, and other emergency services. Take advantage of available soon to release 2025 National Security and Safety Equipment Grants. These grants can help fund the implementation of advanced security systems, making your community a safer place for residents and visitors alike. Our team at North America Wireless is here to guide you through the grant application process, ensuring you have the best chance of securing funding for your community. We understand the importance of these resources in enhancing community safety and are committed to supporting you. Together, we can discover how to solve for safer in Rhode Island and create a secure environment for everyone. Motorola Solution Avigilon ecosystem technologies provide easy-to-use AI surveillance and critical communications all on one platform. Unusual motion detection through Avigilon is just one of the patents of Motorola Solutions. Having over 4,000 patents currently in pending, Motorola Solutions continues to be the most proven form of critical lifelines. We at North America Wireless look forward to providing Rhode Island with the most current safety solutions in the industry. To learn more about our solutions and how they can benefit your community, contact North America Wireless. Our experts are available to discuss your specific needs and provide detailed information on our products and services. Please call a team member at 401-219-8373 or by email info@northamericawireless.com. Please join North America Wireless LLC's pledge to solve for safer communities within our ocean state. We thank you for your support.